Eid Mubarak, everyone. I'm here with our calf. Uh, she's the only one we have now. Her mother was sacrificed 2 years ago on submission of Almighty Allah on this day, and she had a brother who was sold a few days ago on this Eid. And today we tied her a bit distant place from where people are slaughtering cows and other animals. So, as uh, she's not afraid seeing the screaming of cows, right now I'm standing on the bank of our pond. You can see there are dead plants. These are eggplants. In dry season, when there was no water, we planted the plants of eggplant and they gave fruit. As this year, the rainfall has started earlier, so as it is flooded and the plants died, leaving the fruits on the trees. And we have fish here, but uh, the remaining of the plants may be eaten by the fishes here on the pond in here. So